How to install VLC Media Player the safest way. To install the VLC Media Player on your Windows device, you need to open the Microsoft Store, which has a bag icon with squares. Once you are in the Microsoft Store, on the search bar, type the keyword VLC. To find the real VLC Media Player, remember that it has a cone icon with white stripes and an orange background, and it is provided to the masses by Videolan. After you find it, tap the Install button, wait for it to finish downloading. And after it is done, just click Yes when a prompt message pops up and covers your entire screen. Then wait for it to install until you see the Install button turn to Installed. And congratulations, VLC is now safely installed on your Windows computer. Now, go ahead and open MKV or H.265 videos, read the instructions carefully, and choose what settings you'd like to keep turned on. And that's about it. I hope this helps you. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.